Hey guys, welcome to Backyard Smoke. I'm your host James, and this is
Lincoln.
And today we're going to be making a bourbon barbecue sauce that you are just going to love. And as a secret ingredient, we're going to show you guys how to incorporate these wood chips into your next barbecue sauce. So without further ado, let's get ready. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, so here we go with our ingredients. We have our Kentucky bourbon, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup. We have, of course, black pepper, kosher salt, smoked paprika. We have 1 anchovy pepper, 2 cloves of garlic. Here we also have a small onion cut up, not the whole onion, so maybe just, about 1/4 of one. We also have 1.5 cups of light brown sugar, and we're going to use some molasses to help thicken it up and grab the color. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and get these set to the stove, and I'll walk you guys through the process. So right here, all we're going to do is just add in our wet ingredients, followed by our dry ingredients. Bring this to a boil, and then turn it down and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Over time, the sauce will start to thicken up. Alright, so we are back. The sauce is done, and what we did after we let it simmer, we let it rest for about 15 minutes to kind of cool off a little bit. It's not room temp by any means, but it has cooled off. So now we're going to show you guys how we're going to infuse this oak bourbon smoke just to give it some more depth of flavor that you guys are going to love. So Lincoln here is going to be my assistant. We're going to show you guys how we light the smoke gun, blend it, and make a tasty sauce. Fill up the wood chips. And I'll leave a link for a description of everything that we're using today. Perfect. Shoot that in there. Let's get this out the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna light it. All right. Take our smoke here and fill it up. I'm doing that part. Now fill up as much or as little smoke as you like. Ooh, did a lot of smoke today. All right, son. Come on over here and mix. Push the M button. All right, Mr. Gray. All right, so what happens is the smoke gets infused into this. And you have a lot coming out.
Can I taste?
Not yet.
Oh, because it has bourbon in it?
Yeah, I'll make a special one for the kids without the bourbon.
Okay.
So I like a smooth barbecue sauce. So I'm going to take my strainer here, and I'm going to go ahead and strain out the rest. Let's go ahead and take a taste here. I love the color. It's nice, it's thick, it's getting thicker. I love it. Nice. The smokiness is there. You have a nice little smoke from the anchovy chilies. Really good stuff. So I tell you what, man, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button. Don't miss out on these good recipes that me and my son are doing, and sometimes my little girl steps in as well. We're having a good time here at Backyard Smoke. Share the videos, tell your friends about us. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much. And we'll see you guys again on the next cook. Be blessed.